back to another episode of Pristine Automotive Designs. Now we are starting today off in the garage, and we're trying something a little bit different today. So it'll be my first time using a foam cannon. You guys saw in the last video, I did like the little unboxing of this foam cannon from Hasbro company. So we're gonna try it out today with the power washer. I've never done this before, so this will be new for me. If you guys have any suggestions on how to do stuff with foam cannons, like whether it's like filling it up to a certain amount or using certain degrees stuff or anything you want to do, throw it down in the comments and I'll check it out and try it next time. But this will be my first time trying it, and we're just gonna see how it goes. Also guys, I'll be using VV Wash Auto Care premium car wash. Go check out their website at vvwashautocare.com and use my code PADesignss15. It'll appear up on the screen. You get 15% off anything in the store. So I'm gonna throw some of this in the foam cannon and get started in a second.
CSU from the final.
Okay, so as you can see, my car's not too dirty, but this pollen has gotten pretty good on there. It's not too bad. The wheels are a little dirty from going through the mud earlier. But again, just really want to try it, see how it works and how well it does. As you can see, it is the car. I got the power washer out. Already got it, the detailer mix. Again, if you guys have any recommendations on how much soap to put in there versus how much water, go ahead, drop it in the comments and let me know. You know, we have all our little supplies going on over here in our bucket, and I'll probably spray the car down and fill this bucket up in 1 second. I believe I just needed to put more soap on it because it did get on there pretty thick, but I would like it to be a little bit thicker. Obviously I've been sitting for a minute, so some of it's drained off, but it does cover pretty nicely, like really thick. I think I just need to add a little bit more soap to the mixture. I think that would have made it a lot thicker, but it does very well. Next time obviously I'll put more soap in it, but it looks really cool. I've always wanted to do this and try foam cannon. So now I'm going to try out this foam mitt in a second. I also forgot to fill the bucket. So as you guys see, it looks very nice and soapy. Smells good, looks good. So I'm going to get to this wash mitt and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so really I just was using the foam cannon just to like see how it works, do like a little test run, but it worked very well. It covered all the spots I needed. I'm just pretty much drying up the car now to get all its water off and before the pollen hits it and get it back in the garage. But anyways, it worked very well. It was really cool to use it for the first time. I need to put more soap in it next time. I'll keep that in mind and get the soap a little bit more foamier and thicker. But anyways guys, had really fun doing it and got to dry this car off and maybe give you guys some cinematics of the car in a second, but I'll get back to you in a second. Wash Auto Care bottle did very well. It came off very nice, didn't leave any streaks or anything. The paint still looks very good with it. It rinsed off very easily. It got very sudsy. See, I see it looks very clean. There's no marks everywhere. It dried very easily and everything foamed up nicely. So I'd say it works very, very nicely, especially in a foam cannon, but of course you don't have to have a foam cannon. Still looks very well with a normal hand wash. But as I can see, it looks very nice. I still have some spots to touch up, but I'll worry about that later. I just wanted to get a quick wash today and to test out the product to see how it works. But again, use my code PADesignss15 to get 15% off on all of your Wash Auto Care.